Hi everyone, I'm doing an unboxing from easycraftart.com. I got a package from them. I've already picked but not really opened anything. I will put a link below to the website, and you can also get a 12% discount with the code NOIT, N-O-I-T. It will also be underneath in the description box. And I'm sorry for the noise from the nylon here, the plastic, whatever. Okay, so let's start. I've bought in several times ago, I don't know, in another video when I got another package from them. I bought a kit with wax seals, and I bought now two different heads for the wax seal. So I've got here one, I think, with some leaves. Let's see. So all I need to do is change it and mount it on the handle for the seal. This is one, and ordered another one. Oh boy. Okay, so I've got a bumblebee here. So that's the two new seals that I've got. I've ordered this die cut. I don't have a die cut machine, and I'm not intending to do, so I prefer to just buy die cuts prepared. And here I've got all kinds of like windows, and look how delicate this is. Oh my god. Oh, this one is just beautiful. I don't know if you can see the details, maybe on something a little bit darker. So these are the windows, and of course I've ordered some butterfly die cuts. So that's the other one. Here we go. Of course you can paint them, so it doesn't have to stay in that color. So here are my butterflies. Okay, moving on. Let's see. Don't remember what this is supposed to be. It's really intriguing. I'm already loving the packaging, so that's great. It's glossy, but I think I can still use even the packaging. Okay, so I've got here like antique, I don't know what to call it, vintage ephemera. So I've got all kinds of papers to play with, which is great. Handwritten, like handwritten letters, very beautiful. And so this is one. Let's see what I've got here. I really like this packaging. Let's see. Okay, so these are like from books, pages from books. Oh, I love this one. Like dictionary or a botanical, whatever. Just beautiful. So lots of stuff to play with. Next, more vintage ephemera. It seems like I can't get enough of it. I've ordered before other packaging from them, so that's great. Lots of interesting and different papers to play with. Let's see, I think these are like postcards. Let's see. Oh, and I have also like little tags and like post forgot the name. Postage stamps. Okay. Just got stuck. So this looks all like more ephemeral to play with, and first they look to me like postcards, but they are not. But what I do love is I have different kinds of papers here. Some of them are semi-transparent. This looks like handmade paper, and well, I really like how I have so many options to play with. They are like they are small like postcards, but still lots of things to do with. Okay, a package of washi tape, and I already am in love with it. Look at this beautiful washi tape here. I am really wanting to use it already, itching to use it, all of them. Just beautiful, all kinds of width for them, some larger, some smaller. Really like it, and I really like how they are packaged. Okay. What's this? I don't know. It looks like some brochure with paintings of Van Gogh. Okay, not what I expected. So this Claude Monet, probably the same, looks like two brochures. Don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this kind of thing. Looks like a brochure from a museum. I actually saw this in person, this in I think it was in Vienna, Austria, in what's the name of the museum? There was a Claude Monet art exhibit. Albertina, maybe, if I'm remembering correctly. Okay, so lots of stuff. I'm going to almost forgot. I've got here another this is a gold metallic marker to put on top of the wax seals, so to highlight details on the wax seals. And this one I'm really curious to see. It's supposed to be a very fine cutter that for paper, at least that's what I understand. Yes, it is. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe, let's see, maybe like this you can see a really fine cutter. I need to see how it works on paper and how it works on acetate. Maybe this will be my new tool to cut stencils on acetate. Let's see. this is nice. So on paper it works and it's nice and it's really easy to use. Now I only need to test it on acetate. So I'm going to take something out of all of this and we're going to make some art. I'll be back. Okay, so I've picked these three papers, mostly for their color. I am hoping it will coordinate with some of the washi tape, and I've picked this postage stamp that is clear with nothing here, and I'm planning to stamp something on the inside. Picked one of this, I don't know what to call it, tags. I've got the butterflies here. Maybe I will put a butterfly on my page. And well, let's start. So this is quite intuitive. I'm not sure how I'm going about it. I'm just going to start by, let's see, I'm going to tear it. Now someone just asked me about, she said that she had lots of beautiful pieces that she took out of magazines, and she's worried about using them, and it's not turning to be something beautiful, and then it will get wasted. So what my suggestion is that if you have something like that and you're worried and that's what's keeping you from creating something, then just photocopy it. It just doesn't serve anything accumulating all these lovely papers without using them. If you need to do one photocopy, or if you need to have 10, just do it and then play with what you have. So I've got these two pieces here, and let's go and take a little piece here. And well, not sure about it. Okay, I'm going to put this one here, and another piece here. Okay, so use these two papers. Now I'm looking to put this one, which is very boring, but I don't care because it's just part of the background. I'm trying to put the pieces in at least 2 places on my page. I don't want, and no, let me correct myself. And also I'm trying to create interest. Okay, now I've left the washi tape for last because it's transparent and I want it to be on top of these pieces, and I'm also considering adding something here, and not sure about it. Well, maybe let's take from this washi tape, but now I need to find where it starts. Okay, here we go. So I've got this one, and what else do I want to use? maybe a little bit of this one. Very simple, very quick, unless you don't find where the washi tips begin. Okay, so what I tried to say before is that I'm trying to have the pieces not align. I don't want them all to align. I'm trying to have different edges going around. Something like that. That's the best explanation I can give you. Okay, so now I want one of these washi tapes. No. This one is really calling to me, but for this page it's too large, so let's go with this one. Okay. This was kind of crooked. Still crooked. Someone here needs to have her eye examined. Okay, got this. Let's try and use this postage stamp. So I've got these stamps. Let's see something that will fit on top. Maybe this one. Okay, no, I've got something similar but shorter that's supposed to fit. Okay, here we go. And what color do I want? Let's see. Going for vintage, I've got archival ink, coffee color, just putting pressure and letting it stay for a little bit, and I've got a perfect stamp. Yay! Oh, this was easy. Not sure where I'm going to put it, but nonetheless. Okay, and I also got this tag, so maybe here and here. Yeah, whatever. What's the worst that could happen? Just playing and having fun. I don't want to cover this. I'm also thinking about, it's good that I only used a glue stick, so okay, maybe it's a little bit distracting here, too much like focal point, but I'm going to leave it be. And let's see if I've got a butterfly that I want to use. Too big. How about, nope. Nope. Okay, so probably this one. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be very gentle here. I don't really need glue on all of it, just like this. So that's the butterfly, and I still want to use the wax seal. What's happening to me today? I get stuck on words that I know, that I use. Okay, so I've got this. So I've picked the bumblebee, and now I want to pick colors of for the wax. I've got this copper color, and I think I will take some maybe red with it, and I've got some bronze. I'm going to do 4 because this seal is quite large, so I want to make sure I have coverage for a nice seal. Maybe gold, I'm not sure. No. Took another copper color, and now instead of using, last time I used a candle, today I'm going to use my heat tool. So let's see. So it's going to make some noise. If you don't like it, just mute or skip forward, and I'm just going to use this to melt the wax. And just something before I start, what I learned to do is always mark the bottom of my seal, because this is round, and when I'm flipping it over to use, I don't see where it is. So I'm just making a mark with a permanent marker. So now that I'm flipping it over, I know this is the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just wait for this to melt. And it's going to take time, so I'm going to come back when it's melted. Okay, so wax is melted. I've got some dried, I think it's called baby breath, I'm not sure, sorry. And I'm just going to pour it here. Now you can leave the heat tool running, but I don't want to right here, if you want it to flow more easily. And now I'm just going to take this. It's not, it seems like it's not enough. I should have taken more pieces of wax, but that's good enough for me. I'm still practicing with the wax seal, but hey, it looks fine. Okay, so now let's try the gold marker on top of the seal, and this is going to be the last thing for this page. Okay, I think I need to push on it, maybe, no? I don't know. So I'm just going over the raised areas of the bumblebee, but not all around. I want it to be more noticeable. Yeah. So here it is. I'm not sure about this stamp. Maybe it's just too much here. Maybe I can fix it. Taking the same ink pad, maybe if I'll add a little bit so it won't be this light color, so it will be more blended with the rest. Okay, now I can live with it. I like it. So this is it. That's my unboxing and my art journal page. Thank you for watching, and thank you for leaving me comments down below. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.